Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Toyota GR Corolla Core. I think these are really cool cars. They're very popular, and it's super cool how this is a 6-speed manual. Really fun little car to drive. The Corolla Core, it's like the base model, so you have like the cloth seats. They are like bucket seats, so they're pretty comfortable, and it has a GR stamp on it. You have 300 horsepower with the 3-cylinder turbo engine, which is pretty cool. Same engine as the GR Yaris, which is not sold in the United States. So this is basically like what we get in the United States compared to that. So I think now the GR Corolla also comes with an automatic, but this is the 22, so it just has the manual transmission. Here's your infotainment system. It's pretty simple in here, it's more so for like the driving experience. I like the steering wheel, it looks pretty cool. The gauge cluster also looks really cool. You have your drive modes. You have custom, sport, normal, and eco. I'm gonna put it in sport mode for the test drive. Let's walk around this GR Corolla. I like the metal foot pedals, they're nice. The wheels look really cool, and I like the red brakes. It's a good looking little car. I like how aggressive it looks. Got like the wide body look going to it. 4-door hatchback, and it's interesting how it has 3 exhaust pipes. Yeah, I've never really seen that design before, so I think that is really cool. Let me unlock it real quick. Rear legroom is definitely a bit cramped for sure, but it's cool they have cup holders in the doors. That's practical. Let's see how to open this thing. There it is. Here's the trunk. Decent space. It's a pretty small car, so yeah, it does look really cool. I love the way this car looks. And you have a wireless charging tray. You can see my phone charging on that. Looks like if the vehicle will turn off if parked for 1 hour. That's cool. But let's go for a drive in this Corolla. Let's see the reverse camera. Here's your camera. No 360 or anything, just a normal camera. Resolution is okay. Could be a lot better than what it is. Sounds like the blowout valve or something right there. It's cool. Looks like you also have fog lights on this vehicle, which I just turned off. Yeah, I really like when manufacturers try to make cool, fun little manual cars, because it's a dying breed, especially in the United States. So I appreciate, you know, brands that try to make fun manuals for us enthusiasts. The throws feel great. Very nice throws, very notchy. Engine sounds good. Feels rewarding to, you know, shift, which is cool. I like nothing better than a notchy shifter in a manual car. It sucks when it's vague in some manual cars. This is like a fun little go-kart kind of car, which is really cool. And it's really impressive how Toyota's able to get 300 horsepower out of a 3-cylinder. That's a very unique engine size. I think it's a 1.6 liter 3-cylinder. Pretty cool. But yeah, honestly, yeah, even though the seats are cloth, it's because of the bucket, sport bucket shape to the seats. They feel great. You also have like the gauge for the turbo over there. You also have lane keep assist, and you also have cruise control that you can see over there too. JBL sound system in this vehicle, no sunroof. I'm not sure if only the Core doesn't have a sunroof or all of them don't. Not quite sure about that, but I wouldn't be surprised if all of them don't, because some of these, you know, Japanese manual fun cars don't really have sunroofs, including the Integra Type S. Dang, this thing is pretty quick. It sounds so good. It is a very quick car, actually, because it's really small. 300 horsepower is a pretty strong number for such a small car. I mean, there's no wonder that these are so popular in the enthusiast market. I mean, you can, I mean, like in a price point too, like you can get these 2022 GR Corollas in the 30K range. It's a lot of fun for the money in a car, right? And it's a Toyota, so, you know, pretty reliable cars. I do know that some people who heavily modify these GR Corollas have had issues, but you know, if you keep it, if you keep it stock or keep the modifications, you know, reasonable, you shouldn't have many problems, right? Or people who like take them to the track and completely trash them, that's when you can have some issues. But you just got to be reasonable in the way you treat your vehicle and what you do to it. Yeah, definitely very, very fun car to drive. Great little car from Toyota right here. Handling is nice, acceleration is nice, throws are great. It's a very notchy shifter. It's very satisfying to put this thing into gear. Like, it really feels like you're doing something. Look at that, putting it in a fifth. Nice, feels good. Fun car. Yeah, overall this is a great car from Toyota. Very fun to drive. If you're looking for a GR Corolla, definitely go for it, because it is a really, really cool vehicle. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool pre-owned vehicles like this GR Corolla.